pick your cart.
I need to bring these to class. Please help me find them.
Yes, pencil case. Notebook. Water bottle. Hand sanitizer.
We haven't finished our
Quilt.
We haven't finished our shopping. Please.
Pillow. Put money in the drawer.
I finished my shopping. All thanks to you.